Things just get awkward once we start recording. This is a get ready with me. We are downtown. This is Valentine's Day. We're going to see Toronto Raptors game for the first time. So I'm just going to do, I was going to change my outfit, but I changed my mind. I think I'm going to stick to this outfit. I'm just going to do basic makeup and wear my hat. Already have my contact on and I have perfect lighting here, so I thought let me come on camera and do my makeup here. It has to be a quick one because we have to leave in less than 35 minutes. So let's see what I can do. Okay. I really like this lighting, babe. Okay, so first I'm just going to pull my hair back, and of course I've already primed my face while I was introducing myself or introducing the video earlier. So I'm starting with foundation. This time around I usually use MAC, but this time around I'm using my NARS. I rarely reach for this foundation. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna be reaching for it more because I really like the way it matched my skin almost perfect. Okay, next I'm going to be using my concealer. I think this is the Sephora concealer, and I'm going to apply that on under my eyes, around my upper lip, my eyebrows, just to define my eyebrows a bit more. I was enjoying my music there. I like to have music in the background, but anyway, I'm going to add some concealer on my chin, and if you can see the natural shadows of my face, you see where the light hits my face, that's where I put the lighter concealer. So since I'm trying to make this video not too long, I'm going to speed up some parts that are quite redundant. We all do our makeup, so I'm sure we all know how to apply makeup. So some parts I'm going to speed up like I'm doing here. I'll speak when I need to. Let me also add that I mix my Sephora with Fenty Beauty concealer, and now I'm setting those areas that I concealed with Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm not baking because I want a really light beat. I want to look like it's just my natural skin. I can slay. Life show me baby many things I can't say. I'm just setting my entire face with my Sephora powder, and this is in my shade. This is gonna bring everything together and make both the lighter concealer and my foundation bring everything all together. Tough times don't last. Only tough people do. Na so. I don't put any makeup for here because what? We are very smart. Okay, let me explain what just happened there. I wanted to quiz my husband. I'm just trying to make him talk. Get him involved in my makeup session. So I asked him if he can tell me the reason why I'm not applying any makeup on my forehead, and he got the answer correctly. So because I'm wearing a hat, I don't want to have to deal with my hair, and of course I'm going to see a game, so hat just makes sense. So because I'm wearing a hat, if you've been watching so far, I just avoid adding makeup to my forehead so it doesn't stain my hat. So that's a trick for you. If you're wearing a hat, this is how you do your makeup. You avoid your forehead because it's not going to show anyways, except you do plan to take off your hat when you get to your destination. I just wanted to see if you'll get the answer right, and he got it right. I've now added blushes to my face. I say blushes because I mixed two blushes. One is from Tarte and one is a Sephora blush. I have highlighted my face with MAC highlighter, and I'm going to apply brown shadows, from this eyeshadow palette from Fenty. I'm going to apply it to my eyes just to give it a bit of color. Okay, I'm applying mascara primer. I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart, as well as the mascara I'm going to apply after. Right now I don't know what, I can't tell you what it's called, but the white one is the primer and the other one is the mascara.
Do I look like I give you?
So I'm going to be lining my eyebrows with this pencil from MAC. I'm not going to be doing too much with my eyebrows, and I'm not wearing lashes today because I'm wearing hat. So my hat is going to be covering most of the makeup, so I'm not stressing. My favorite part, so I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Studio Fix fluid, and this is going to melt all of the makeup and make it look so seamless and skin-like. It's my favorite part of makeup. And then I'm going to move on to my lips after. I'm lining my lips with a brown lip pencil from Nigeria. Sometimes I use this and sometimes I use a MAC brown lip pencil, but today what I have close to me is this one from Nigeria. It's a very cheap pencil, but it does the job. And then I'm just going to do my lip concoction that I do most times when I want my lips to look voluptuous and scrumptious. All the lipstick, lip gloss, well, except one of them, most of them are from MAC, and the clear lip gloss that look a bit pinkish is from Shoppers Drug Mart.
Scrumptious, 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 scrumptious lips.
Can you tell me in the comment section why you think I'm doing this? Let's see if you can get it right. For all the makeup lovers, I'm sure you know why I'm doing this. Well, we are finally done. We're ready to go. I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like more videos like this, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.